Google Analytics tool and solution for your business. Do you want to increase the traffic to your website? However, I'm not sure where to start. Don't worry, the solution is to start with information and statistics, rather than making modifications based on your desires. The popularity of the internet has grown to the point that there are about 40 million sites that use Google Analytics. But many consumers are as uninformed as you are. So, today, I'll break down the most relevant information and advice to assist you in improving the performance and conversion rate of your website. Market Rivalry. The benchmarks page provides an overview of how you are performing in comparison to others in the same industry. Although this data isn't exact because not all of your competitors may be utilizing Google Analytics, it's better than nothing because it gives you a basic idea of how your site is performing. Learn more at https://mylearningcenter.teachable.com.